I'm not team Apple or Android, but when you're in the Apple store, of course you have a little look around. I saw this little beauty. Now I'm waiting to buy the latest DJI gimbal, but haven't got my hands on it yet. For 130, it was rude not to buy one of these, so I just thought I would spend that hard-earned cash and pick one up. So this is, of course, the Osmo Mobile 2. I'm going to be using this with Samsung phones, so if you're interested in how that goes, then stay tuned and I will give you the full details. Let's crack into this little number and begin the process. Nice bit of packaging. I believe you can buy this in all sorts of places, but around where I live, only the Apple store is banging these little beauties out right now. So there you go. Let's get rid of that and let's dive in and let's see what exactly is in the box. Just some code numbers and such there. DJI on the back, Osmo, and that is basically about it. So I can see that we've got some more plastic tags to get through. Let's flick open my long-loved knife of destiny here. Let's continue the process. Okay, I believe that's just about all that we need to get through. So let's crack it open. Lose the knife. Oh, okay. Oh my. Oh, what do we got? Okay, you got your standard paperwork, and we're here to help. File that to one side. Now, oh, this is yeah, foamy, but then for 129 of the Queen's finest. What are you really expecting, eh? What are you really expecting? Oh, gel. Everybody loves that stuff. Hello. What do we have here then? Oh my, that's interesting. There you go. Cool, huh? File that to one side. Oh, look at that. Osmo Mobile. Okay, well. Oh, yeah. You can feel the you can certainly feel where your 129 has gone. Certainly not in the plastics, that's for sure, but still, you know, a little toy, isn't it? Same price as Google Home basically, so really and truly, what are you gonna do? Tripod mount, always nice. But let's see what this performs with the Note 8. Let's see how that goes for us, and will be some reviews coming up real soon. And as usual guys, it's been emotional.